Welcome back. This is part 2 of our series on how to use Microsoft Intune, focusing on essential device management capabilities. In this video, we dive deep into device management, covering enrollment, configuration, and application management. As a quick recap from part 1, Intune is your cloud-based unified endpoint management solution for securely managing devices and applications. Today, our focus shifts entirely to device and application management, the backbone of a modern managed workplace. First, let's look at getting devices enrolled, which is the crucial first step for Intune to manage them. Intune supports a range of platforms, including iOS, Android, and Windows, each having a streamlined enrollment path you'll configure in the Admin Center. Understanding the difference between corporate-owned and bring-your-own-device, or BYOD, enrollment is key, as it determines the level of management control. Once devices are enrolled, you use configuration policies to enforce settings and customize the user experience. We'll show you how to create configuration profiles to manage settings like VPN, Wi-Fi, and security protocols, and assign them to specific user groups. Intune allows you to demonstrate device compliance by setting baseline security configurations, ensuring all managed devices meet organizational standards. Moving to applications, Intune offers comprehensive management for both corporate and personal devices. We'll cover deploying line-of-business applications and managing updates seamlessly across all managed devices. For BYOD scenarios, App Protection Policies, or MAM, ensure corporate data stays secure within managed apps, even if the device itself isn't fully managed. When issues arise or a device is compromised, Intune provides powerful remote actions to secure your assets. Learn how to use remote wipe, lock, and restart actions effectively to maintain security and assist users without physical access to the device. Intune's reporting feature is key for monitoring device health and compliance and provides essential information for basic troubleshooting. That brings us to the end of part 2. You should now have a strong grasp of Intune's device and application management capabilities. Remember the key takeaways: device enrollment, configuring profiles for compliance, and securing corporate data with app protection policies. Join us for part 3, where we'll delve into advanced security features, including security baselines and advanced deployment strategies.